Hi and welcome to session 5. So did you get a chance yesterday to bring your focus completely to another person? If you did, you probably got a sense of the power of your attention and focus. It transforms relationships. It makes the other person know that they are valued. And it takes us away from our own problems and opens up our mind to new ideas. Now you may think of focus as a switch that's either on or off, that you're either focused or not focused. But actually there are varying intensities and levels of focus, and distractions begin when the focus begins to fade. So in order to decrease distraction, you must first become aware of when the focus begins to fade, before the mind takes off on a long excursion. And today you're going to practice just that, becoming aware of the intensity of your focus. So each time you hear the chime, note the intensity of your focus. You can rate it to yourself on a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 is no focus and 10 is the most intense kind of focus. And practice adjusting the intensity until it's just right. The more aware you are of the intensity of your focus, the better you can manage and master it. So if you're sitting down comfortably, let us begin. Take a few slow, deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and turn your attention to the contact between body and chair. Notice and experience the weight of your body. Notice the contact of air on your skin. Now mentally scan your body from head to toe. First noticing the surface of the body, and then noticing and experiencing sensations from deeper in the body. Experience the sensations from your whole body. Legs, arms, chest and abdomen, hips and pelvic area, back, head and neck, and experiencing your whole body all at once, from head to toe. Moving your attention now to the breath. Experience the rising and falling of the abdomen. Now move your focus to a narrower area, to the nostrils. Intensify your focus and note and experience the sensations of air moving in and out, experiencing each moment. If there are any distracting thoughts, increase the effort, holding your focus on the breath, trying to notice even more about the breath, the texture, the temperature. If thoughts keep bothering you, then don't fight it. Turn your focus on these thoughts and notice them. Watch them like words or images on a movie screen. And then slowly letting it go. Turn your focus back to the breath. When you hear the sound of the chime, rate the quality of your focus on a scale of 0 to 10. And then letting the sound of the chime fade away, renew your focus on the breath. Moving your attention back to the rising and falling of the abdomen. Noticing once again the contact between body and chair. Notice the contact of air on your skin. Notice any light shining through your eyelids. and slowly and gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this session. Noting the intensity of your focus increases awareness, and this awareness of the mind takes you closer towards better, stronger focus. Before the next session, try this during your workday. Become aware of when your focus is starting to drift away and take corrective action, either putting in more effort or taking a short break. This will decrease distractions and further improve your focus. In the next session, you will increase your awareness, learning to note any signs of excessive relaxation or boredom and adjusting that until the focus is just right. So have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 6.